This amazing 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment in Las Palmeras, the jewel in the crown of West Nerja, is currently available for sale. Generous terrace, pool and sea views. Going to a nice open plan living area, which feeds into the dining area and on to the kitchen. The whole place was completely refurbished 7 years ago to the most modern standards, as you can see. Benefits from a guest bathroom with shower, spacious hallway into the guest bedroom stroke office. Again, a nice spacious room, and here we have washing machine and heater and storage, and into the main bedroom, which opens out onto the terrace. Imagine waking up to that view every morning. Plenty of storage in there, and also the main ensuite bathroom, his and her sinks, and superbly finished shower. The link for purchase is below this video, so if you're interested, click on the link and get in contact with our agents, Nerja.